Do you ever feel sluggish and need a quick power punch to get through the day? I've got you! My roommate was having a rough week and we needed some chocolate lovins, so I whipped up these no-bake Tart Chocolate Energy Balls. We're starting off by tossing all of our dry ingredients into a bowl, including plenty of chocolate protein powder and those sweet tart cherries. Next up, you're going to want to add your wet ingredients. We're going in with a blend of peanut butter, almond butter, some agave for some natural sweetness, and oat milk. Grab a hand mixer and blend it all together because it gets rough. You want to keep blending for about a minute until those nuts break down and the mixture starts to look and feel like sticky Play-Doh. The absolute best part about this recipe is that it's packed with protein and requires absolutely zero baking. Just mix and you're good to go. Now it's time for the fun part. After you're done mixing, you're going to want to grab a handful of the dough and roll it into a perfect bite-sized ball, popping it right onto a parchment paper. These are your ultimate meal prep snack to keep in your fridge whenever you're craving something sweet and chocolatey. And because you can never have too much chocolate in your life, we're going to add some drizzle. I've always found huge gems to be the best for this because it melts down with a great consistency. What you're going to do is you're going to put a heavy drizzle on top of each ball. Let them harden for about an hour and then you're ready to enjoy. If you love a quick, healthy snack, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and let me know in the comments what your favorite go-to snack is. Stick around for the most properly recipes you'll find anywhere else.